turn this Hearthstone sound off. Alright, the volume's just really low. Okay. Let's see how long it takes to load stuff. What does this button mean? Good crash at me again. What is this? Oh. That's cool. Guess this is how they explain standard. All cards can be used. Watch this. And that's cool. No. I want to see if I could buy a crap load of packs. What? What the heck was that? Okay, I got a card back for no reason. Excellent. Oh, that's because I own a Samsung device. Alright, I'm using all my gold. Alright, I should have 79 to open. And hopefully there'll be something good in there. Many, many weeks of work have led to this extraordinary moment. Oh, look. Guess I bought him faster than the game could keep up with. Okay. Time for the opening ritual. Cthulhu for free. Harbingers of Doom for free. Okay, rare. Ooh, good. Think from below. Psychotron, Power Word Tentacle, Shatter, and Darkshire Alchemist. That's a pretty cool card opening animation. Okay, normal pack. Silithid Swarmer, Swarming Tentacle, Feral Rage, Twisted Worgen, Spawn of N'Zoth. Next. Epic card, which is Call the Wild. That's a good one. Summon all 3 animal companions. And a rare. Okay. Nice. That's a good one. Myra Keeper's good. And, man, a bunch of stuff I don't have. Yeah, first 50 or so are really good. And then the rest is like, you don't know. Okay, rare. Divine Strength. Dark Arakoa. Man, goodness, so many new cards. Normal pack. And everything stopped glowing suddenly. That's it. Epic. Still all stuff I don't have. And Giant Sandworm. Nice. I want to see something for a second. Okay, good. Oh, 2 rares. And, yeah, at least it's new stuff. As long as it's new stuff, I'm fine. 2 rares? Oh, yeah, Flame Wreath Faceless. He's pretty good. I don't know about that. Yeah. And the mage one that casts a random spell that costs less than 5. Klaxi Amber Weaver. If your Cthulhu is at least 10 attack, gain 5 health. That's really good. Hand open all the packs. Blackwater Pirate, among other things. Ooh, okay. Faceless Beam. That thing's huge. Two rares? And a golden one. Oh, nice. Ancient Shield Bearer. It's like the replacement for Shield Maiden, right? Yeah. That's a good one. Ooh, another epic. Blood Warriors. Add a copy of each damaged friendly minion to your hand. That looks good. That's for aggro. That's cool. Give your Cthulhu +2/+2 wherever it is. If it's dead, shuffle it into your deck. Goodness. I don't know if that's ever going to happen in a match. After you summon a minion, gain +1 attack. That could be really good for aggro. We saw that. Yeah, lots of taunts. Maybe Taunt Warrior will be viable finally. Yep, normal pack. Usher of Souls. Whenever I probably saw this in a different one. Whenever a friendly minion dies, give your Cthulhu +1/+1. That's actually good. That's good. That's kind of just an upgraded version. This is a replacement of Tauren, and it might actually be good. And this Master of Evolution, everyone seems to think is going to be great. Who knows? It's a rare. Another Shifting Shade. Just gives you kind of a card. A random card from your opponent's deck, so who knows? Man, so many epics. Validated Doomsayer. That's pretty good. Normal Doomsayer has 0/7, but doesn't get 7 attack because he just kills everything on the board. And a rare, Evolve. Transform your minion into random minions that cost 1 more. Sounds good. Wonder the moment I say, I wonder when the first legendary is going to appear. Here it is. Oh my goodness, it's a 2 legendary pack. What could be in here? One will be Zaril, Poisoned Mind, Battlecry, and Death Rattle. Add a random toxin to your hand. Pretty darn cool. And Halazil the Ascended. Whenever your spell deals damage, you restore that much health to your hero. This is really good for combos, and this is really good for Shaman anything. Wow. That was awesome. Okay, this is a normal pack. Fiery Bat. That's like aggro to the max. On the hunt. Huh. That might be good. Shadow Strike. Deal 5 damage to an undamaged character. That's really good. Disciple of Cthulhu. I think the 2 damage off the thing is kind of like the Dwarven Rifleman, I think. But it has a Cthulhu thing, so that's good. Give a minion +1/+1 for each of your totems. That could be scary. Is it like each of your totems that are currently in the board or not? It's not really clear. Okay, 2 rares. And a golden common. Mire Keeper is really good. Evolve Kobold, probably no one will ever play. I wanted the Rusty Hook guy. Discover Death Rattle. Yeah, all good stuff. And plus, Tentacle and Azot's cool. I already have like 200 dust, so I can literally craft 4 of the legendaries from this sets if I so choose. So let's see. Another Master Evolution. Bladed Cultist combo. Game +1/+1. So you can have a 2/3 on your first turn, assuming you have a 0-cost mana card. That might not be bad. That's kind of a replacement for, what is it called? You know, stupid Mustard Arms something. Destroy a frozen minion. That could be a really good synergy for something. Usually Frozen has no interaction, but Shatter used to be really good in World of Warcraft. I remember that much. Another Master of Evolution. Alright, Polluted Hoarder is like... Oh, another Epic. Another validated Doomsayer. Your weapons cost 2 less. Deal 1 damage to all any minions. They added basically Arcane Explosion to a minion, which is good. It's a much better tempo play. A 2/2 is not great, but it's better than nothing. Okay, and another thing from below. Eldritch Horror. 6/10. And an awful card that costs 2. Okay. Anything new? Twilight Elders are good. Dark Arakoa should be good. Let's see this. Thistletea. Draw a card, add 2 extra copies of it to your hand. Looks interesting. I don't know how good it will be. For 6, it's like, oof. Hooded Acolyte. Whenever a character is healed, give your Cthulhu +1/+1. Could potentially be really good. The stats are really good. Infest. Give your minions Death Rattle, add a random beast to your hand. That would be an aggro deck sort of thing, I guess? Or a Beast Hunter? Everything else I've seen before. Okay, this is a normal pack. Oh, 2 rares. Good. Scarum Cultist. Give your Cthulhu +2/+2 wherever it is. Huh. It's a 7/6, which means I would rather have the stats reversed, but eh. Nerubian Prophet. At the start of your turn, it reduces card's cost by 1. So assuming it ends up in your hand at the beginning of the game, it could cost almost nothing. That's actually really interesting. In a control deck, that'd be really good. Wind Fury, 7. I don't know if Wind Fury is worth 2 extra mana. Carrion Grub, 2/5 Beast. Seems solid. Whenever you summon a 1 health minion, give it Divine Shield. That could be scary. Some kind of Paladin aggro deck, probably. Oh, another epic. Shadowcaster. Choose a friendly minion, add a 1/1 copy to your hand that costs 1. I don't know how to evaluate that. Corrupted Seer. 6 mana. 2/3 Murloc. Deal 2 damage to all Murloc minions. I don't know if that's worth that mana cost, but totally willing to try. Ooh. A replacement for, what's it called? Crackle? At least it just deals 4 damage to a minion and not to face. Which is why Crackle is so good. Alright. Infest. Again. Bug Creeper is actually pretty good for 6/8, for 7, but... At least the commons are getting, like, bigger. Another Faceless Behemoth and a Steward of Darkshire again. I've gotten so many epics. Another Call of the Wild. Bloodsail Cultist. If you control Pirate, give your weapon +1/+1. That could be really good. And Psychotron, who's a replacement for Annoyatron, except he costs 3 more mana for okay stats? I don't know. Could be good, could be bad. Two rares and a golden common. Steward of Darkshire again. Seen all these before. Wonder if I got all the commons already. 2 rares, golden rare. Powered Tentacles costs a lot. Feral Rage is actually like removal almost. And the rest I have seen before. Okay, 2 rares again. Forlorn Stalker. Battlecry, give all your Death Rattle minions in your hand +1/+1. I guess a Hunter Death Rattle deck is going to be a thing. And the Murloc summon a 1/1 ooze with taunt is slightly better, but I guess the slime isn't a Murloc, so it gets no benefit. Then again, usually the other Murloc never survived anyway, so at least that one has taunt. This is the normal pack, and ooh, 2 Ravaging Ghouls. Battlecry, deal 1 damage to all other minions. It's basically, yeah, it's for patron. It's a patron deck thing. That's weird. Give your weapon +2 attack. That could be really good. Rare. Rare. Thing from below. Okay, I've seen all that. Face a summoner. Summon a random 3-cost minion is really good for 6. Shaman has a lot of good cards. But then again, we all said they had a lot of good cards last time, so who knows how long that'll last. Spreading Madness, I got one with that already. Okay, this is a normal pack. Same stuff. Ancient Shield Bearer again, good. At least I got 2 of them. Amgam Rager is Magma Rager backwards, so don't oh, that's an epic. Epic and a rare. Epic is another Shadowcaster, another Thistle Tea. And more Nerubian Prophets, among other things. Whoop! Another Zaro Poison Mine. Oh well. Would have liked to have a different one, but at least I got 2 in the first pack. And I guess you get Cthulhu too. He counts. Okay. Stuff I've seen. Yeah. Oh, Zealous Initiate. Probably should have looked at it. I'm clicking too fast. 2 rares. Selfless Hero. Give a random friendly minion Divine Shield. Could be good. At least the servers came back up. Evolve again. Two rares. Darkshire Librarian. Battlecry. Discard a random card. Death Rattle. Draw a card. Well, Warlock does have a lot of weird discard effects. Maybe that could be good. Hard to know. Two rares again. Seen all those. The Cthulhu cards are the Cthulhu cards mostly. Oh, another epic. Twilight Summoners summon a 5/5 Faceless Destroyer. Huh. Blood to Icor. Deal 1 damage to a minion if it survives summon a 2/2 slime. That's a pretty good warrior card. Again, more of that self-inflicting damage on minions sort of thing. The 2 rare pack is a thing, apparently. Addled Grizzly. After you summon a minion, give it +1/+1. That could be good. Problem is you have to get on the board and then have it not die. And it costs 3, and it may not get any value if you cast it on turn 3. Another epic. Doom! Destroy all minions, draw a card for each. I don't know if Warlock needs that much card draw, but could be good. Ooh, Cult Sorcerer. Spell damage +1 on a 2-mana minion. That's really good. After you cast a spell, give your Cthulhu +1/+1. That part's not even that great. This part is really good. That's like having a more durable, stable Blood Mage Thalnos. This is kind of like invalidates him a little bit. Unless you needed him like really cheap. Another Cult Sorcerer. Ooh, yay! Okay, what else? Divine Strength looks like aggro paladin. Shadow Word Horror. Destroy all minions with 2 or less attack. Could be a really good anti-aggro tool. Mostly it depends on what people are actually playing. Another epic. Faceless Shambler. Taunt. Battlecry. Copy a friendly minion's attack and health. That could be really good. That would require lots of setup, though. Like that. Like you'd cast him and then cast this on him. Alright. 2 rares. Another Mire Keeper. Mire Keeper is just really stellar. Alright, seen this stuff. Now we're getting into repeats. Not surprising. Another legendary. Excelente. Right on schedule. Please don't beat Zarilla the Poison Mine or Halaziel. Ragnaros Light Lord. At the end of your turn, restore 8 health to a damaged friendly character. It's like the normal Ragnaros, except it heals. That's good. I don't know how good, but it's only Paladin, though. That's... Huh. Rallying Blade. Battlecry. Give +1/+1 to your minions with Divine Shield. Oof. That could be really good, too. Depends on if you can keep everything alive long enough. Alright. And... Did I... Was there anything I didn't see? I don't know. Go look. Okay, yeah. Yep, same stuff. So many faceless corruptors. Cyclopean Horror. Taunt Battlecry. Gain +1 for each enemy minion. Huh, that could be good. Oh, did I not see this? If your Cthulhu has at least 10 attack, restore 10 health to your hero. That could be really good too. Okay, that's a standard one. Darkshire Alchemist. Battlecry restore 5 health. Oh, it could be to anything. That's actually pretty good. So many goldens. Well, they all look good. Two rares. Same old stuff. Okay. Yeah, it looks like we're scraping the bottom here. Oh, another 2 epics. Goodness. Craze Worshipper. Taunt. Whenever this minion takes damage, give your Cthulhu +1/+1, wherever it is. That could be really good in a warrior deck. Battlecry, unlock your... That's like Lava Shock, except it's attached to a minion, which is like really good. Twisted Worgen. Stealth, all classes. It's like an upgraded version of the other one. Yeah, normal Worgen. Open. Another epic. Goodness. Forbidden Ancient. Spend all your mana. Gain +1/+1 for each mana spent. I guess you could fill in a mana curve. Although I guess it would also be weak to silence, so could be good, could be bad. Anything new? No. So many epics. Forbidden Ritual, I think I've seen that before. It just summons tons of tentacles. Which is cool. Mark of Yisarge. Give a minion +2/+2 if it's a beast to draw a card. Beast Druid. Another epic. Another validated Doomsayer. I don't see anything new. Another epic. Another Forbidden Ancient. And a Golden Common. I usually disenchant all the Goldens because I don't really care about them all that much. Okay, nothing new. Another epic. Goodness. Kabbalah's Tome. Add 3 random made spells to your hand. Pretty awesome. And that looks like it. Ooh, Infested Wolf. Summon 2 1/1 spiders. Are they beasts? Okay, well, that was a refreshingly good thing. Although I got 2 legendaries that were repeats, so that is not so great. 2,000 extra dust. Yeah, you disenchant that. And let's see. Oh, I did get 2 of those. I just didn't see it. Let me see. Old Gods. What don't I have? Fandral Staghelm, not surprising. Didn't get Wisp with the Old Gods, thank goodness. That would have been a waste of a spot. I got those 2. I think I got 1 of those. Forbidden Flame, Demented Frostcaller I didn't get. Yeah, I'm looking to see Goldens too here. Wait, did I get a Golden over here? Or is it just more cards for this class? That's weird. Forbidden Flame, Anomalous, didn't get him. I wonder if it disenchanted all the golden ones too. Maybe it did. I can't even tell. All those are new. Didn't get Embrace the Shadows, Forbidden Shaping, or Herald Volzolage. Zariel, oh, they already disenchanted him. Man, I got a lot of rogue cards. Yeah, I got most of the good Shaman ones. No Cho'Gall. Oh, wait. Did it disenchant, like, even the golden one? Did it? Oh, okay, it keeps it. It keeps the golden one. Golden ones are not in the crafting screen for whatever reason. Okay. No tentacles for arms. That's fine. Yeah, I basically got most of the set, just excluding a couple weird outliers. Like Eater of Secrets, I got none. Agent Harbinger, I got none. Well, epics, you should assume you're not going to get both. But, yeah, I don't know why. I have the hardest time getting the epics more than the other things. Didn't get Veclore, didn't get Boogie Monster, thank goodness. And I did not get any of the other old gods, which is disappointing. Alright, let's see if there's any golds I can... Yep, and I can disenchant you. Goodbye. And I could disenchant you. I don't like Goldens. I don't like them. And what else? Disenchant this guy. Doesn't make any sense to have Goldens, really. Well, I already have one, so I'm going to keep it. Ancient Shield Bearer I can disenchant. It all adds up. Tentacle of N'Zoth, disenchant. Those are new. And oh, I have another one? Okay. I only have one Doom Caller, so I can't disenchant that. Okay, that's a pretty good haul. About 3,000 dust, and yeah. Well, I gotta go earn those other packs, I guess, at some point. Those are 10. I guess you get 10 for winning 2 and then 7. So that's about 10 more. So that'd be about 89 total. That's really good. All right, I am done.